Hi all, Laurel here with LH Diesel Repower and Welding. I just bought this service truck with a 10,000 pound crane on it, and I'm driving it from Louisiana back to my home in Colorado. It's equipped with air conditioning, but the air conditioning is not working and it is very hot down here. It's in the mid-90s, and so I am going to try to fix the air conditioner on the side of the road here. I'm under a nice tree for shade. Here's the port I need to attach the refrigerant to. I'm going to try to charge it and see if it will kick on. Now that we've located that port, now the next step is to start the engine and turn the AC on, and to put this on there and pull the trigger and charge it. Seems like that's about as charged as it's gonna get. Let's go see if it's blowing cold air now or not. I bet it probably will be, because it was very low. Oh, I can feel the cold air already. Oh yes. We've got cold air now. Thank heaven. The drive just got a lot better. Cooling system is not quite keeping up. It was doing fine for most of the trip until I got here up into the Texas Panhandle, where it's in the triple digits today, and it keeps getting just a little too hot. Then when I go down a hill, it cools off just enough for the light to go off and it to stop beeping, but then as soon as I go up the hill again, it's just enough drag and enough heat that the cooling system just can't quite keep up. I've been driving through Texas for 2 days straight. 257 miles to go. Been running much cooler now. No longer beeping at me, telling me it's too hot. Those are the very first mountains I've seen for a long time.